What makes that beep sound? Good question. Everybody knows when you hear that beep, you gotta take a couple shots. This right here is what makes that beep sound. This is called a packed timer. This packed timer times your shots. All I have to do is press that green go button. It gives me a 3-second timer, and when I hear the beep, I take a shot. When you take a shot, it records the first shot, and then you can take as many other shots as you want, and it records the split time of those shots. And so that's where the beep comes from, this guy right here.